Hi students, as in previous video lecture, I have discussed about the features and importance of leadership. Now, in this video lecture, I have covered the concept of styles of leadership, or it is also called as leadership styles. Before going to know what are the styles of leadership, we should able to know what is leadership style. So here leadership style refers to a leader's behavior in various kinds of situations that has to be raised in the business enterprise. Hence, based on the various kinds of situations and circumstances, the leader is going to change the behavior, attitude and working style among the employees in a group. Therefore, leadership style is nothing but it refers to a leader's behavior in a different kinds of situations in a business enterprise. Usually, there are mainly three styles of leadership that can be exhibited by a leader in various kinds of situations in the business enterprise. There are mainly three leadership styles. One is autocritic, or it is also called as authoritarian leader. Then second comes democratic, or it is also called as participative leadership style. Then third comes that is free rein, or it is also referred as laissez-faire leadership style. There are mainly three leadership styles. One is autocratic, second is democratic, then third is a free rein leadership style. Let us see what are the each style of leadership explains about. The first type of leadership style, that is autocratic leadership style. The first type of leadership style, that is autocratic leadership style. So in simple words, it is just like an Hitler style of leadership. So where in this style of leadership, an autocratic leader gives order and insists that they are obeyed. So where an autocratic leader is one who gives work instructions to the followers or subordinates, and those all work has to be completed within a span of time by the followers in a group. So that is called autocratic leader. So he doesn't receive any suggestions, he doesn't accept any opinion given by the subordinates or followers. Only the leader gives work order. As per the work order given by a leader, all the followers must do the work. So that is called autocratic leader. So it is just like one-way communication. So you can observe the direction, that is the leader, what he says, the followers or subordinates must perform the work. So that is a concept in autocratic leadership. So where it does not give any freedom to subordinates, where in the case of autocratic leadership, the subordinates or the members in a group, they do not have any freedom to take the decision, and they do not have any freedom to take their own path in completing the task. What the leader says, they must obey the instruction, and the followers must complete the work or task. That is the concept that can be observed in autocritic leadership. So what leader says, the followers must do the work. The followers know what to do and they don't know why to do. So what the leader says, that work is to be done by the followers only. But the followers or subordinates, they don't know why they have to perform the specific duties or work in the enterprise. Hence, we can able to say that there will be an one-way communication. Only what the superior says, what the leader says, that must be followed, and that work is to be accomplished by the subordinates in a group. So that is called autocritic leader. It is just like Hitler's style of leadership. So it can be used when in the case of emergency, and when the company need to complete the targets in a span of time. At that time, this kind of leadership method is to be used. So hence, we can able to take the quick decision. So when in the case of autocritic leadership style, the leader can take a immediate decision or quick decision, because the leader is not going to take the opinion from the group members. Only the leader have power to take the decision. Hence, he only take the decision, and according to that decision, the orders will be given to the followers in an enterprise. That is all about the first type of leadership, that is autocritic leadership. Once again, I will review. Autocritic or authoritarian leader. An autocritic leader is one who gives order to the subordinates and insists that they are obeyed. So it means compulsorily all the followers, they must obey the instruction given by the leader, and they need to complete the work within a stipulated period of time. So where in autocratic leadership, it does not give freedom to subordinates, where the followers or group members in a team, they do not have any freedom to take the decision. They do not have any freedom to follow their own path in completing the task. They only have one-way communication. What leader says, they must accomplish the objective. So that is called the autocratic leadership style. By following this style of leadership, a leader can able to take the quick decisions over the different problems or work aspect. That is called autocratic leadership style. Then second comes democratic or participative leadership style. So where it is opposite to, or it is directly opposite to autocratic leadership style. In autocratic, how the leader is, what the leader says, that must be done by the workers. But in a democratic leadership style, a leader gives order only after consulting the group. So where a leader in a company, they have a group of followers means the leader is going to discuss with all the followers and they are going to receive opinion or suggestions given by the group members by taking into consideration of the opinions and suggestions given by the workers. They are going to complete the task or they are going to receive work order and fulfill the work given by a leader. So that is called democratic leadership. So where it ensures a proper cooperation with or between leader and followers, where a leader is going to cooperate with all the followers by taking into consideration of their opinions, problems, suggestions. They are going to friendly complete the targeted objectives. Hence, in case of democratic leadership, we can able to observe two-way communication. So you can observe the direction. So where the leader gives work order and also the leader seek or receive the suggestions given by followers, and the leader allows all the followers to discuss with the group members and they also going to discuss with all the group members. Based on that, they are going to perform the duties by taking into a proper decision by following a specific route or path in accomplishing a targeted objectives. All the people, they are going to create an unity by creating unity in action. The target objectives or target set is to be achieved. Hence, we can able to observe two-way communication in the process of democratic or participative leadership style. So where the word itself indicates participate. The person who are in the team, all the peoples in an entire team, they are freely allowed to participate and express their suggestions, views, opinions towards resolving the problems and doing a particular work effectively. So that is called the democratic leadership style. Hence it is called the opposite to autocritic, because in autocritic we can see that only one way communication. What leader says, follower or subordinator must do that work because it have one communication. But when you look into these two diagrams, you only analyze the difference that in a democratic leader, the leader gives work instruction before discussing with all the followers. After receiving the opinion, suggestions, views by all the followers, the leader is going to give work order and ensures cooperation and maintains harmonious relationship with the leader and followers. They are going to fulfill the target objectives. That is called democratic leadership style. Then last comes, that is free rein, or it is also referred as laissez-faire leadership style. So laissez-faire is a word which is associated with the French word. So in French word, laissez means let or allow, and fair means to do. So where when you combine these two words, laissez-faire means let to do or allow to do. So who are allowed to do means the followers or the subordinates are having complete freedom to do the particular work or task. So in this style of leadership, leader gives complete freedom to the subordinates. It is very important. In a laissez-faire leadership style, leader gives complete freedom to the subordinates, and a leader usually not interested to use the power or authority in issuing or guiding the people in a working situation. So hence you can observe the diagram how the free rein leadership style is, where the leader is not interfere in any of the decision making process or any of the work which is relating to followers. Only he tells about doing of work and what is the objective of the organization, and followers only they will going to discuss with each other, and that is to not compulsorily those who are self motivated or interested, they only discuss with other members in a team, and they only complete the task by taking a right decision, by following a right path or procedure. They complete the task given by a leader. So hence you can see there is no interference of leader. So like this kind, there is no direction that can be observed in a free rein. So where subordinators are completely have freedom to take the decision, they have complete freedom to follow the route, and they will going to complete the task which is given by the leader with the discussions or exchange of informations between the followers only. It is to be suitable when the company have the subordinators who are having rich experience, good knowledge, good skill in managing the entire situation in the enterprise. Then only we can able to apply or we can able to use free rein leadership style. This is about the third leadership style, free rein or laissez-faire leadership style. So once again I'll review. There are mainly three kinds of leadership styles. Here leadership style means it refers to leaders' behavior in a different kinds of situations. There are no same situations that has to be arised in the organization. Hence, based on the situations and circumstances, the leader is going to use many kinds of styles. There are mainly three styles of leadership. One is autocritic, second is democratic, then third is free rein leadership style. This is about the concept styles of leadership.